What's going on, guys? Heading over to random. We're going to be running, looks like Dale's Larry Bird Immaculate. 40 spots, $2 piece. Let's go ahead and show live. We have a live time of 10:32, official time of 10:32. We have a blank list randomizer in green, a blank dice roller in green also. Let's go ahead and grab the list. So Alexander, Tony for 3, George, Eric, Dale for 4, looks like. 2 for George, 2 for Tony, 1 for Eric. 4 for John, 4 for Merle. 3 for Eric, 1 for Tony. 2 for George, 1 for Dale. 4 for Dave. 3 for Ken, and 1 for Tony. Let's go ahead and roll some dice. Dice showing 4. Let's roll at 33 and 24 seconds. 33 and 31 seconds. Rolling 4 times, guys. Good luck. After the first roll, we're showing 40 items on the list. 1 through 40. Let's roll at 33 and 36 seconds. Official time of 33 and 46 seconds. Roll the dice 2 more times, stop. 2. 3, we still have 40 items on the list. It was rolled at 33 and 59 seconds. We're showing 34 and 8 seconds. Let's roll 3 times. Final roll, good luck everybody. 40 items on the list. Your winner is Dale Newman. Spot 8. 4 times. Roll at 34 and 14 seconds. Official time is 34 and 32 seconds. In the green on the list, and the green on the dice roller. 2 and 2 is 4. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and hit done. We have a time on done at 10:34. Official time 10:34. Alright guys, we'll get this uploaded for you. Winner, please contact.